The world was corrupt, violence filled the earth. Humanity had fallen, and God? He was ready to cleanse it. But one man stood apart, Noah. In Genesis chapter 6 verses 11 to 22, God speaks directly to him. Build an ark, make it from gopher wood. 3 levels, exact dimensions. This wasn't just a ship, it was a divine rescue plan. While the world mocked, Noah listened. While others lived in rebellion, Noah obeyed. Because real faith, it shows up in action, not just belief. If Noah's obedience moved you, like this video and subscribe to Holy Thread Project for more powerful Bible truths.